Yeah, hi, I'm going to show you how to play the G major scale on your piano. I'm going to show you the right fingering for your right hand and for your left hand. And at the end of the video, I'm also going to show you what triads you can derive from this scale, what 3-note chords comes from this scale. Okay, let's get started. Now, the G major scale has one sharp note, meaning that it has no F, it has an F sharp. So you have to remember this playing the scale. Let's do it. With the right hand, start with your first finger on the note G. G, A, B. When you come to the third finger, put your thumb underneath, like this. C, D, E. Now remember F sharp, and back to G. Now going downwards on the piano, we start with a fifth finger going all the way to the thumb. G, F sharp, E, D, C. Now the third finger flies across like this. B, A, and G. Let's do it again. Okay, now let's do the same thing with our left hand. This time you start with your fifth finger going all the way to your thumb, like this. When you come to the thumb, the third finger flies across like this. And remember your F sharp. And going the other way, starting with your first finger, you go to your third finger. Then thumb underneath. Okay, one more time. Okay, and finally let's have a look at what 3-note chords you can derive from this scale, what triads comes from this scale. On step 1, you have the G major. On step 2, the A minor. On step 3, the B minor. Remember your F sharp. On step 4, C major. On step 5, D major with F sharp. On step 6, E minor. On step 7, F minor flat 5. And finally back to the G major. There you have it, the G major scale on keyboard. So, I hope you enjoyed this free piano lesson. If you want more free piano chord stuff, how about a free piano chord chart? Or a free chord inversion crash course? Or a free chord symbols chart? Simply go to pianochordscharts.net and download your free stuff. Click the link below and I'll see you over there. Please like this video to keep our videos free for future visitors. Thank you.